Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to change the WhatsApp background on PC. We will start by opening the WhatsApp app for PC. Then we are going to click on the settings option in the lower left icon. Then we will click on the personalization option. Here we will see the chat wallpaper section where we can choose a new color for the chat background. Click on the one you want and it will be applied in the different chats. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.